Dare you. I dare you to find something wrong with these. I dare you to find a better mouse than the Dareu brand. I dare you to find a cooler keyboard. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. Dareu Ultra 07. They have the Dareu. Dareu's my favorite. Hold on, pause the video. Dareu's my favorite mouse company. I don't want to just throw that out there, but I've been using a Dareu mouse. I've been using this since my last Dareu video. I keep trying to switch to new mice and I hate all of them. I'm gonna be honest. After a while, I just keep rebuying this. It's like 60 bucks. It's the lightest mouse I can find anywhere. It's like 35 grams. It's amazing. Comes with stickers. It's awesome. Anyways, that's the Dareu A950 wing. So I want to see if this new Dareu mouse will replace the old one. So this is the Ultra 07. I figure same brand, maybe same experience. So let's get it open, see what it's all about. And also a keyboard. This is the Cool 68. I really do like Dareu and their stuff's pretty affordable. Let's open the mouse first. Whoa! Gaming mouse. I like the design of the box. It's all like circuits and stuff. Wow, cyberpunk type shit. Hell yeah. Oh, that was the back. Ultra 07 gaming mouse. There we go. Whoa. Oh, this thing is so extra already. I love it. Whoa. Wait, what the heck's going on here? It's like a transformer. Optimus. No, not Optimus. What's the bad one? He a Decepticon. Look at that. That's so sick. Are they like magnetic? All right, so we got our little dongle. It's the same dongle that we have for A950 wing. We got the left click. Oh yeah, it is just a magnet. Okay. Well, that's sucked in there real nice. I didn't even have to try. Strong magnet. I'm transforming. Whoa, and then it's just like open right there. Boom. Dude, that's kind of badass. I like that. The weight feels pretty nice. It's actually not that heavy for all the stuff that I just slapped onto it. It's definitely not 35 grams. Bet you it's lighter than the super light. How dare you call your mouse super light when it's 60 grams plus? How dare you? How dare you? Oh my God. As long as I can make myself laugh, right? Nobody else is laughing. There's the rest of the stuff in the box. We get a little user manual, quality control card, more extra rubber feet, PTFE skates, whatever you want to call them. Nice soft braided cable. Love to appreciate the soft braided cables that don't drag too hard on a mouse pad in case you have to use it wired occasionally. The other thing that keeps me coming back to my Dareu A950 wing is the battery life as well. I have a hard time finding a mouse that I don't just have to plug in every day after using for like a week. But Dareu battery just built different, I guess. There's the Dareu Ultra 07. Maybe we'll do a sound test on it real quick. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the Cool 68 keyboard. Oh shoot, it's an 8K polling rate keyboard? What? Oh, they're in the game now. Okay, Dareu. It says rapid trigger. Wait a minute. 0.2 millisecond ultra low latency, 0.01 millimeter precision adjustable actuation, 8,000 hertz high report rate, 16.8 million RGB dynamic lighting. All right, a little 8K polling rate keyboard from Dareu. Mad respect. Oh, is that white and purple? Yes. Ready for it? Big reveal time. Is it Cool 68 or not? Be honest. Oh, wait. Dude, you guys haven't even seen the sides yet. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's cool. Look, it's like transparent all along the edge and the back. Same one. And the rubber is like, the rubber feet is like ingrained in a weird way that I've never seen before. It's just like one huge rubber foot on each side. Dude, I really like this. It's got little cutouts on the body and stuff. I mean, it's an ABS case, but like for an ABS keyboard, there's a Type-C port. It doesn't look like there's any physical switch to make it like wireless or wired. And then I was wrong. This is blue, not purple. I'm colorblind. So you got a blue escape and a blue enter, and all the font is actually in blue color as well. All right, pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in the box here. A user manual, a Dareu cable tie. That's kind of nice. I like these ones. You get a silicone, looks like, power cable. Pretty dang long. 3 extra switches. Okay, and these are called shadow blade switches. Definitely quite the presence. They're very loud, but we like that. We like that on this channel. And a keycap and switch puller. All right, let's do a sound test on the keyboard real quick. Nice. Yeah, that one's definitely not quiet. I like it. Here's the bottom. There's actually a lot of PTFE on this bad boy. Let's just see how it slides. Whoa. Dude, that ain't bad at all. That's like real slippery. The 360 is not, doesn't go super crazy, but like the slide itself is like really smooth. All right, this is my daily mouse pad that I use for gaming and working. Dude, that is like, whew. That's smooth. I like that. Yeah, there's a lot of PTFE on it. You can feel it. It's like, this is nice. It's a little, definitely a little heavier than I'm used to, but I like the shape of it. It's super conformed well to my thumb. Like, look at that curve that they put in the body. Look, my thumb just really hugs it right there. I really like this area, this little indentation. Definitely well thought out. Even a little indentation for my pinky down there. That's nice. Fingers, my fingertips are a bit long, but even though my fingers like hang off the edge, I can still push it from here, which is usually how I play anyway. So I know a lot of people like do this or whatever, but I don't see how you could possibly, I don't see how that's comfortable for anyone. Okay, so that's nice. I like that. Definitely feels more grippy on this mouse pad than the other one. I think that CES mouse pad is a little more slippery, but this one gives a little more control. I guess the back cover can be moved forward or backward, depending on your hand shape. I'll probably do this one because I got a big old hand, but if you have a small hand, maybe use this one. All right, overall, like first impressions, I just really like this mouse. It looks sick, it feels sick. It's very well thought out engineering wise, and I just like the magnetic plates. Like, it's so cool. Little transformer. Now that we have our keyboard and our mouse from Dareu, I'm gonna take it to the desk and we're just gonna plug it in and investigate, see what the RGB looks like, you know, and then test it out in a game. So I'll see you at my setup. Okay, we got the keyboard here. Let's go ahead and plug it in for the first time, see what the lighting looks like. Oh, that was a cool startup sequence. What the heck? Look at that. Shines all the way through. That's nice. All right, cool. Okay, so here's the old Dareu mouse. Let's go ahead and plug in the new one. We're just gonna do wired for now, in case it needs some help. Okay, there it is. You hit initialize device. There it is, cool 68. Hit connect. And what do we get here? We get some lighting settings. Get all the different patterns. That's cool. Continuous flow. That's kind of nice. Always on. Neon. You can also turn the speed up. Now that's fastest speed. I'll keep it medium. I like to keep, you can turn the brightness down. I like to keep that max. You got a bunch of different settings here. There's a little splash. Continuous flow, go with the flow. I like the names of these. They're kind of funny. The rotating windmill's kind of cool. I like the colorful waterfall. We'll go with that. For rhythm configuration, if you want it to react to songs or whatever, you could do that. I'm not going to add that, but you can download the rhythm service if you want. We could do a macro here. But anyways, if you like macros, you can set them up here. These are some performance settings. So looks like these are the switch. In case you decide to switch out your switches to any of these, make sure to go into the software and set that up once you're done. right here. You can go down to 0.10 millimeter on your actuation. You can turn rapid trigger on. We're going to turn that on. Press sensitivity. You can go to 3.50 or 0.005. Yo, okay, they're keeping up. That's actually like the limit. That's like super good. I'm not going to do that. I'll do like that and we'll see how it goes. I might have to change this in the middle of gaming. Sometimes when I turn rapid trigger on too crazy, it starts going crazy. And dead zone settings, if you like to adjust those, that will be here. Okay, so you have your DKS. A single button can realize 4 functions, and you can bind functions according to different pressing degrees. MT, a single button can realize 2 functions. Pressing and clicking can trigger different functions. Then you have TGL. You click the button to switch on or off, continuous triggering, and hold the button for normal triggering. A lot of these are kind of game specific. There's certain games where you kind of want these settings. SOCD, you could bind 2 buttons. The button pressed later will force the previous button to be released. You have MPT, which is a single button can trigger 3 different button functions at 3 different depths. And you have end, a single key can send another key function when released. If you like using keys and you like doing multiple things with the push of one button, you can kind of set that up here. It's really cool thing to do. A lot of use cases, especially for gaming, especially for multiplayer, where like all of this stuff and authorized to use in game, and it works usually. Like macros, you can use those. It's not against the rules. You're not going to get banned for a macro. You're not going to get banned for any of these settings, even though it can give you a pretty clear advantage in gaming. Okay, so here is where you set your polling rate. So right now it's at 8K. There's your Windows key lock if you need that. Debounce, calibration. There's your connection mode, device model, equipment type. This is pretty much all you need to know. And then there's some other profiles in case you or a loved one or whatever all use the keyboard and you have different settings, different macros set up. Then you can have 2 people using the keyboard. Kind of cool. And that's pretty much it when it comes to settings. So without further ado, let's hop into a game, shall we?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
He angry. Look how angry he is.
Oh, well, aren't you the sweetest thing that ever crawled onto dry land?
He mad because you don't. He mad because you guys don't have a Dareu mouse like me,
Buddy wasn't trying to dehydrate.
and because you're not subscribed. No.
Looks like the mission area is yours.
Where you going, buddy?
Now. Mission area is yours.
Still burning hot. No time to celebrate. Hey, you know girls are tougher than this.
I'm 1 second away from ulting on you fools. I'll be taking this Magneto.
The area's almost yours. Spotted bad guys.
What are they doing all the way over there? What just happened to them?
Like it's your last.
No. No, he did the same. He spit me on the same spot. The same exact spot. Woo! Let's get it. Ow.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Looks like the mission area is yours. Attack now.
No, we're not doing this. No, no. How are you following me through all this? Fuck you. Fight somebody else. Oh my god, leave me the fuck alone. No!
Microspiders melted. They got the numbers on them. Ooh, that felt nice.
Capture the mission area.
Oh, they're griefing me. Oh, we're just cooked. They're 5, 6 stacking on the point. Okay. No, that makes sense. How about let's do this? Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Somebody's got to get some of this healing.
They're ahead of us.
Oh my god, where is that?
My favorite tower! This kid, there's a
I'll get you next time. You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
The moon haunts us! Better already.
Hope I make the cut.
All the way from Fancy Street.
I can't believe I got this.
The area's almost yours.
Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Get cooked! Get cooked!
I appreciate you.
Let's go! Oh my god, get dumpstered on! Yes! Jeff gameplay number 1! Oh, perfect. Perfect for Dareu. GG. Perfect! Yes! Finally! Well deserved, good sir. Well deserved. How'd I do? How'd I do, be honest? 18 and 4? I'll take it. I only healed 60. Dude, Cloak and Dagger was putting in work. I thought I was doing something. Anyways, that was Dareu. Smash like, subscribe for Dareu if you enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. I thought it was awesome. This is cool 68. I'd say it's pretty cool in my opinion. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and take a look down in the description at this keyboard, see if it's something that's worth it for you. Take a look at this mouse. They're both 8K polling rate. I don't know, just didn't let me down. Pretty good little mouse and keyboard. And I love Dareu, and I stand on business about that. They make the best mice ever, so definitely give them a shot. If you don't like this, maybe take a look at one of their other items if you have time. I'd really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks for watching.